Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Apple iPhone 16. For that we will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and that's part of the box, and here you will find it in between the cable. Okay, just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray, you're able to insert a nano SIM card. So let's start with that. So you need to press it like this, so the contact's down on top. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. And as I said, and as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video, and yeah, let me tell you as well, if you want to add a second SIM card, it is possible by just adding an eSIM profile. So just ask your provider for that. And I hope I could help you with this video here with a physical SIM card. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe till next time. Ciao.